Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Nestled along the St. Lawrence River in the Bas-Saint Laurent region, Saint-Fabien is a charming village known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. Whether you're passing through or planning a stay, there's so much to enjoy here. One of the highlights of Saint-Fabien is its proximity to Bic National Park. You can take in breathtaking views of the sea, its islands, and even spot majestic birds of prey soaring overhead. It's a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The village itself is perfect for a leisurely stroll. Explore its heritage homes, which tell the story of the area's history and architecture. Take a peaceful walk along the Route de la Mer for beautiful views of the river, or hike the Sentier de Coulombe for a tranquil escape into nature.
Thank you very much.
This village may be small, but its beauty and charm make it a must-visit destination on the Gaspé Peninsula. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Saint-Fabean, Quebec.
watching.